how to add project portfolio and LinkedIn. So of course, first things first is open up any preferred web browser that you can use. But on this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now head straight into LinkedIn official website and make sure that you're logged in into your account. From here, just simply hover your mouse on the Me tab, which will take you to your profile picture, and then just click on View Profile. So there's actually two specific ways of doing this. The first things first is go into Add Profile section, then in here, go into Recommended, and then you can go with Add Featured or you can go with Add Projects. Now, if you go ahead straight into Add Projects, this is where you can upload or post your portfolio and LinkedIn if you have a raw projects. Just simply input the project name, the description of the project if you want to add skill, and as well as the media files. However, if you would like to upload portfolio that has a unique link to it, all you have to do is to choose on add featured. Then from here, just simply click on this plus icon and then go on add an article. Now just simply copy and paste your link from here and just simply hit on save. And that is how you add project portfolio and LinkedIn.